Namaste. What if I told you you can heal a loved one, you can transform a relationship, you can even bring peace to someone thousands of kilometers away? Love and healing are not bound by distance. In fact, energy travels faster than words. You can be here in your own home and you can think of someone who needs your help, your guidance, maybe some health or healing. I have myself seen over the years people's relationships transform, health and healing be restored. Even a person able to come out of serious issues like addictions simply by using a powerful tool, technique, and cleansing prayer called Hooponopono. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use this beautiful tool called Hooponopono to send health, healing, love, and peace to anyone, anywhere in the world, even if they are thousands of kilometers away from you. Hooponopono, as we are aware, is a beautiful cleansing tool and technique to go within, take responsibility for whatever it is that you're experiencing in your life. The word itself means to correct, to change, to heal, and to transform. So, there are so many times in our lives when we may feel concerned or worried about someone. Maybe it's your children, maybe it's the parents, maybe it's your partner who needs your help. And there are so many times you feel helpless because of what they're going through. Simply thinking, I wish I could help them. What do I do that they can feel better? Well, the whole philosophy and process of Hooponopono is revolved around cleaning up your own energy to help any other person or situation. The process is about taking responsibility and acknowledging whatever it is that you are feeling, including concern, worry, or fear for a loved one. Here's exactly how you can use Hooponopono to bring about health and healing, not just in your own energy, but also positively impact other people. Think of someone who you need to help. Think of someone you're worried about. Think of what bothers you in the day. There could be maybe a loved one's health that concerns you. Maybe it's their relationship problem that makes you worry about them and their life. Whatever it is about the other person that bothers you, acknowledge it. Think of what it is that really this person needs help with. And as you acknowledge what you're feeling for them, simply remind yourself, everything in your life is coming to you because of your own past. So whenever it is that you are worried, concerned, or fearful about someone, remember you are sharing energy with them. This energy that you share with them is also your responsibility to take. Because if they are in your life and they have this problem, it is certainly clear that you have some cleaning to do, and you can do that by taking responsibility for those feelings that they bring up within you. So, if you are concerned about a loved one's health, acknowledge this fear, this worry that you have within you, and take it up with your subconscious mind. You can either think of yourself like a little boy or girl of 7 or 8 years of age, because this helps you connect better with your inner child. Although it's not necessary to visualize your inner child, but simply connecting with this little person inside you called your subconscious mind really allows you to understand why the inner child needs your love, your warmth, your care. As you acknowledge the feelings come up within you because of a loved one you wish to help, take it up with your inner child by saying, my dear one, I know we feel this way. I'm sorry, I don't know from where this has come up. Please forgive me, my family, relatives, and ancestors for whatever may have happened by us, either knowingly or unknowingly. However, we have contributed to this. Today, I want you to know that I'm willing to take 100% responsibility for this. Thank you for listening to me. Thank you for cleaning with me. I love you. I love you wholeheartedly for everything. Manifestation कोई जादू नहीं, एक साइंस है, एक आर्ट है. और अगर आप इसके आर्ट और साइंस को समझ गए और आपने अपने जीवन में कुछ ऐसे शक्तिशाली टेक्निक्स अपनाना शुरू कर दिया, तो समझ लीजिए आपकी मैनिफेस्टेशन पावर ऐसी बूस्ट होगी कि आप अपने गोल्स को जल्द ही अपने जीवन में आकर्षित कर पाएंगे. मैं अपने मैनिफेस्टेशन वर्कशॉप में आपको सबकॉन्शियस माइंड के पावर के बारे में समझाऊंगी. सबकॉन्शियस माइंड कैसे काम करता है और आप उसकी पावर को कैसे यूज कर सकते हैं अपने जीवन के हर एरिया, हर क्षेत्र में पॉजिटिव चेंजेस लाने के लिए। सबकॉन्शियस माइंड की रीप्रोग्रामिंग कैसे कर सकते हैं, पास्ट के प्रभाव को अपने आज में कम कैसे कर सकते हैं, चाहे पास्ट में जो भी हुआ हो उसके प्रभाव को कम करते, नष्ट करते कैसे हम अपने लक्ष्यों के साथ कनेक्ट करें और अपने जीवन में अपने लक्ष्यों को मैनिफेस्ट कैसे करें, पावर के साथ, खुशी के साथ और उत्साह के साथ। आइए माइंड पावर सीक्रेट्स को समझते हैं और अपने जीवन को हील करते हुए अपना बेस्ट लाइफ जीते हैं। वर्कशॉप के सारे डिटेल्स आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन में मिलेंगे। Now, as you repeat these cleaning words over and over again, notice how the worry, the concern, the tension, the fear within you slowly starts to dissolve. Now, as you're doing Hooponopono for another loved one, you're actually taking responsibility for your share of the problem, because no problem in your life, including the ones that your loved ones are facing, are not your responsibility. Everything is your responsibility. So if something about them bothers you, it means the only way you can heal them is by healing your connection, first of all, with your own inner child. So as you say, I love you wholeheartedly, keep both your hands on your chest. Two centers in the body where you will feel a very strong, deep connection with your inner child. One is the chest, the other is the stomach. Place your hands on these two parts of the body. And as you feel a deeper connect with your inner child, keep repeating the words, please let go, please let go, please let go. Now, as you feel better, you can in fact simply hold an image of the person you want to help. Think of them in your mind's eye and give the situation to God by saying, Dear God or universe, I take responsibility for whatever it is I'm experiencing in them. I send them love and healing. Now you take over, because trusting divine order and will is extremely important in the process of Hooponopono. So while you take responsibility and heal your inner child, you must also leave the situation in God's hands, because surrendering is an integral part of the Hooponopono process. So while you deal with this concern and fear for them, remember, as these feelings within you dissolve, as you feel better, whoever is a part of your life, including them, must get better. So even if it is a health issue in them, even if it's an addiction problem in a loved one, what you need to do is clean up your own energy. That's how you use Hooponopono for a loved one. And while you do that, think of them, send them your love, and pray to God that He does the right thing for them. Let His will prevail. You have done your job by cleaning up your energy and visualizing them well. Now He must take over. If you don't follow this step, what will happen is you will be very attached to the results. You will constantly be thinking of, are they feeling better? Is this going to work for them or not? Instead, you say, God, I did my best. I have cleaned up my energy. Now you take over. This will really help you own up responsibility and not give up on the situation. You see, when you want to help a loved one, if you're worried and fearful for them, then you don't have that power to help them. When you're powerful, when you're positive, when you're peaceful, whoever is in your mind and vibration, they automatically get your positivity. They will automatically feel better. So your power lies in your ability to take responsibility for yourself. As the day progresses and you feel suddenly a trigger within you, a concern for them, maybe you got a phone call, you heard something you did not like, remember to clean on whatever came up within you in the day. Immediately just acknowledge what came up and say, I'm sorry, please forgive me, thank you, I love you, please let go. Remind yourself, my inner child needs to let go of some memories so that they can get better, because they're a part of my life. And why are they a part of my life? They're a part of my life and I'm concerned for them. I'm bothered by them because they're a part of my karmic history and patterns. So as I take responsibility for my feelings, I surrender my feelings to God and I keep wishing them well. my subconscious mind, my inner child will start releasing these memories. As these memories get freed up, the divine will take over. The divine will purify these memories. The divine will neutralize the negativity. And as good energy from me goes out, good energy in the form of positivity and inspiration will come. And then, whenever I talk to them, whenever I do anything for them, it will come from a place of divine guidance and inspiration. And trust me, my dear friends, over the years, I have seen how relationships have beautifully transformed, how people have seen miraculous changes in their health simply because they were willing to take responsibility. There are so many cases of my own clients where they have taken responsibility for their energy to help their parents, their children, and their partners. There are cases of addictions that have seen so many positive changes. There are cases of health and healing being restored, even when the doctors had given up. There are cases where the money issues have been dissolved simply because one person in the family took responsibility for his or her energy. Everybody else in the process gained. So don't worry about forcing another person to do Hooponopono. They may or may not do it. If they resonate with it, they are ready, they will do it. If not, don't worry. You can be that person who takes responsibility for your energy that is also affecting them. As you get better, they will heal. But first, you must reach your point of peace. Remember, peace equals power. So think of all the time cleaning on the triggers going on within you, because that is the way to heal them. I hope this video has given you the information and the tools you need to work and take responsibility for whatever it is about a loved one that concerns you. Remember, all healing starts from within, and all healing is really about self-healing. Here's wishing you all the very best. Namaste. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया और इस चैनल से आप ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा टिप्स, टूल्स और टेक्निक्स का फायदा उठाना चाहते हैं तो इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कीजिए। सब्सक्राइब करेंगे तो आपको लेटेस्ट नोटिफिकेशंस आ जाएंगे हमारे वीडियोस के, और फिर हम एक साथ एक दूसरे को इंस्पायर कर पाएंगे।